Today I will show you how to make a comb or clip holder with simple things available at home. I took a wire of required length and folded it 4 to 5 times. This you can take according for your requirement, 4 to 5 times or 3 times, anything according to your requirement. And I passed it through the ring. It's a keychain ring, old keychain ring. I passed the wire through it one side and folded it into half. Once I folded, I had tightened it with the rubber band. Bottom I cut the wire, so all are when all are cutted, I started unfolding each wire. All the wire is unfolded one by one, the strings of a wire. From bottom till top, I had unfolded the wire and I had now taken the second one. Now I repeated the same thing with all the strings one by one and unfolded them. Repeat it. In this way, I unfolded all the wire strings. Now once all are unfolded, I have taken each string and with the help of a comb, I started combing them. See how we can comb. If children, they can comb one. Elders, they can take 2 to 3 strings at a time and comb them. It needs little patience. Once we comb the string, how it has become like a hair. In the same way, I am combing all the strings in the wire. Strings are combed, how it becomes. Now your holder is ready. Now you can hang it anywhere and you can hang your combs. You can keep all your clips at one place in this way. Thank you for watching. Bye.